Hey guys, welcome back to DRAWDY RC. Thank y'all for joining me here. Me and RD are out here at the fly zone again. And yes, I'm flying the F-86. It's really windy, but we do have our two 64mm F-18 Super Hornet and the F-22 free wing 64mm, but I don't know if we're going to fly those today or not, but I am going to put the F-86 up in the air and see how it does. So y'all stay with me. Another flight for the F-86. Down this way more so you get the sun too much. Well, the wind don't feel too bad over there. Usually you can tell it when it looks over. Doing my racetrack. Remember that guy said we're doing racetrack?
Yeah. If we did anything else, you couldn't see the thing.
It's got a little wind. You can push it a little bit when you turn. Not too bad.
Even in this wind, though, that's a great flying little airplane. Yeah. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear anything or not other than wind. And I'm trying not to Darth Vader you.
That's 5 minutes.
10, 9, 8.
I would think the battery would be a little lower than normal with this wind.
Yeah.
But I heard you goosing it a couple of times.
Well, the only wind I could really feel is when I turned it. 33%.
Yeah. Very frugal.
Yep.
Very frugal.
Second battery, first battery was 33% on 5 minutes. We are running the Admiral 2600 3S. We did find out that this airplane takes the 4S, but you can fly a 3 or 4, but we're doing 3. So we're going to pick it up again and play around with it. How's it going?
Yep.
I've said a million times. Such a good little flyer. Play around with it. Get your mind right. Pretty good. That wind's playing havoc in that corner.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lead mine today. It's unpredictable.
It's really touchy in the corner.
When this airplane is having some difficulties,
Yeah.
an unknown airplane will not be real cool. Get it close before you cut it. That wind brutal.
Good flyer.
Engine off.
That was about 4 minutes.